unsure how to make the perfect cup of tea, then I'm happy to help. But be warned, I'm a believer in the water than milk method rather than the other way around.
Me too.
Watching us both turn cold. Oh, I know it ain't pretty when two hearts get broke. Yeah, I know it ain't pretty when two hearts get broke. I hope someday.
Call them. Go. Good morning. It's Saturday and this morning has felt like a bit of a mission. You know, those mornings where these were just, you woke up in a bad mood, didn't you, Roma? And they've just, Eddie has just gone for, no? Okay, good. Eddie has just gone for a haircut and he's tried 3 places and he can't get in, and yeah, it's just been one of those mornings. So I've been with the girls and we're just in town. We're going to meet him and to buy new shoes for the girls because the sun is shining and we don't have any proper sandals or anything like that. So we're going to buy that, and then this afternoon, where are we going this afternoon, darling? We're going to
Conkers!
Yes.
Conkers!
Yeah, we're going to like an adventure place, which I'll talk about later. But first of all, we've got things to do in town. So you're going to be good girls, aren't you?
Yeah!
And you've got changed about 3 or 4 times, haven't you, Roma?
Yeah.
Let's go then. Just realised that my toes are not fit for sandals just yet. Job for this afternoon.
These are a size 6, darling.
Oh, let me know if these are big enough, guys.
Stop! Wow! What do you think of them?
Good.
You like them? Batman! We have totally lost control of the children who are trying on everything in the shop. You like crocodiles? Look at his face. We've lost control. We're going to end up buying like 400 pairs of shoes. We're not getting everything, girls.
I'm not having those ones.
But I like it like...
The perks of bringing 2 cars to town, as well as a little sister who always wants to be with her big sister, is I'm on my own in the car. It's like bliss. I don't know if any of the parents are the same, but if I'm in the car on my own, it's just amazing. I'm going to put the music up, put the windows down, not have anybody moan, and the 10-minute journey home is going to feel like an hour in mum life. I might have also done a cheeky new look shot for some summery bits because it's really, really hot at the moment and I'm definitely not prepared for the summer just yet. Come this side, please. Your neck, that's your chin. Your chinny chin chin. Right, go and get your hats then.
Yeah.
We have just got here to Conkers and it's like a discovery centre outdoor thing. I don't really even know what it is, but it's in the National Forest, so it's very, very beautiful and it's such a gorgeous day that it's quite busy, but it's really good. And the girls are about to do a barefoot walk before going on the train.
To do the barefoot walk.
It looks like we're all doing it.
Yeah.
Your feet a little bit big, are they?
Yeah.
Are we ready?
Yeah. I don't want to go.
It's so cold.
I know
It's so cold. I'm powering through.
But you don't find any stones here.
I think there's any.
Oh my gosh.
The toes feel numb. The barefoot walk is supposed to feel like a spa. My feet are so cold and I feel like they've been tortured. Oh, what's he doing?
You're laughing at.
like you're going over Rocky Mountains.
They're not nice and warm. Some of them
This is what happens. It's said that walking barefoot has positive medical benefits. What's your story, Roma?
little pigs lived in a straw house all together, and the wolf rode it down and they go to the house, and the wolf would blow it down. And then the train disappeared.
Whoa, that's a twist of the story.
And then, ta-da, the fairy came.
Wow! There was one big pickle and there was one little pickle. Sometimes they pickled all day long. And Mummy and Daddy put them in a jar. One of the little girls was a witch and the other one was a fairy. And so between them they cast a magic spell, turned themselves back from pickled onions, two little girls, never to be naughty again, and they lived happily ever after with their Mummy and Daddy. Woohoo! We've had a picnic and told some stories, and now the girls and Eddie have just been up. I'm not sure if you see it in the background. It's like a really, really tall, like, I don't know, 6 flights of stairs or something. So they've just been up there. My leg won't take it, so I stayed on the ground, and now we are going to the adventure playground, which we get to by going on the train, and the girls are crazy excited about it. Like, they've never been on a train before. We came here when Roma was like, I don't know, about a week old, really, really tiny, and so it brings back really lovely memories, and she's obviously running about and loving it now, so she's excited about the train and the adventure playground.
There's an egg in the box stuff. It might not be a real one, it might be one.
Hello, Mr. Owl. Do you like it? Is it good? Oh, bumpy. Thank you. Let go. Thank you, darling. Your first ever fab. How do you feel about that?
Another ice
What do you do when you get caught out in the rain and you're not prepared for it? What do? We eat ice cream. Have you got an ice cream?
Yeah.
We are going to hunt some cover, I think in the amphitheatre that they have, and eat our ice creams, because what else do you do? Where are you?
Shake off.
We've come inside to the discovery section and there is an ant farm and all about ants, which the children are fascinated with, and it is my biggest fear. I know that's ridiculous, but I am afraid of ants, so I'm keeping well away and looking at bees instead. It's actually really good in here, it's really educational. The girls are off somewhere and I'm learning about how fish float. Not just for children. You were just yawning. We are having a well-needed sit down while the girls are off looking at recycling, I think. Aren't we? Fun day? What do you want, Roma? Just a small dinner. We are home now. Conkers was really good and there's so much more there than the last time we went, so we could definitely have spent more time there had we like gone earlier or the weather held out, because it was a bit rainy when we left, although it's gorgeous again now. The meal, I'm not gonna lie, was a little bit of an ordeal. The children were tired, Roma wouldn't eat, you know how it is sometimes. But now we've just got home and the girls are downstairs playing for a little bit. It's nearly 6:30 anyway, so they'll be going to bed soon. But I've just come for a sit down because I've been on my feet quite a lot today and I've got a muscle condition, so most days out end with me like this, with hot water bottles in bed. So I'm just having a little bit of a rest before I have to do the bedtime routine. And I think then I'm just going to sit on the sofa and read a book or write a blog post or maybe just watch TV and do nothing, because I am shattered. It's been a really nice day, but yeah, I'm just completely shattered. So I will sign off here, I think, even though the light makes it feel like it's the middle of the day. But yeah, I'm just going to leave it there. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would and would like to stick around, and I will see you next time.